We are pleased to show you the 2020 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.